Hello, in this video you will see how to import your LUT in DaVinci Resolve and how you can also generate the LUT from DaVinci Resolve. So you can see there we are on color tab, right? And here you can see the left side there is a LUT folders. So it has many folders, like we have different folders like this film log and other folders. So if you can access the LUTs by clicking here, right? So now you can see we are going to import the LUT in this aces folder. So you can see this we have a 3 4 5 LUTs here. Now we are going to import a new LUT. So what we have to do in terms of getting the new LUT from your desktop, suppose you have any LUT your desktop, so you have to come to this right side, uh, bottom side of your screen, and you will be visiting to this window. So here's a project setting and master setting, image scaling and color management. You have to come to color management, and you have two options there: update list and open LUT folder. So once you open LUT folder, you will be getting the location where all these LUTs are available. So you will be getting to the window where this folders are there. So then we will import the LUT from our desktop to this folder, and we will click on update list. So as we will update list, the LUT will come to this folder. So let me show you how do we can do that. So open LUT folder, right? As you click on this, these are the same folders which I have shown you on top left side of the screen. So suppose we have uh, to come to desktop, and this is the lookup tables. So I have to copy this LUT, right? I have to copy this LUT, and I have to come back to the same folder, uh, which I was showing you, this folder, right? So what we are going to do now, so you can see we have to click on aces, and we have to paste this LUT to here. See the below side, this LUT has come to aces folder. Now we will close this, right? And we will click on update list. So as we do update list, this will refresh the window, and we can cancel now. And now you see this is a aces folder, and we have got this LUT lookup table creation. This LUT was there. So earlier 1 2 3 4 5 6 5 LUTs was there. Now this LUT has come to our window now, and you can see the lookup table. Now how to apply the lookup table? So you this is the my clip, and this is the node. I can double click, LUT can apply to this window. Now I have another option, right click to the LUT, and sorry, and right click to the LUT, and just hold on, applied LUT to current node. So this is how LUT can be applied. So the image is not color corrected, so let me pull the gamma, and you can see this LUT, how beautiful this LUT is. See this, the clean whites, and how beautiful this LUT is. See this, the beauty of this LUT. So this was not about this LUT. Now one more thing, if you want to create this LUT, right, and want to export import this LUT, suppose you have this LUT available on this system and you want to extract this LUT and save it to desktop. How to do this, how to generate the LUT as well? So you have to click on this video file and right click, and you have to click on generate LUT, and there are four option like 17 point LUT, 33 point LUT, 65 point cube LUT, Panasonic LUT. So let me tell you what is the difference basically, in these LUTs. So generate LUT, suppose these you generate that 17 point LUT, it will be, the LUT will not be very heavy, right? So, and of course the quality will also be matter. And if you generate the 65 point cube LUT, this LUT will be little bit heavy and it will take a lot of processing power from your system. So I am generating a 65 point cube LUT, right? And you see it will ask you the location, so you can click to desktop and you can name this LUT is test trv LUT, right? And if we save here, right, you can see that this is saved in my desktop. So you can see this LUT is saved as test crd on my desktop, right? And if you want to import this LUT again, how to import this? You have to come again to the color management. How to come? See this right side and color management, open that folder. So you will be getting at this folder on which is your which is in your software, and this is the location where in your PC your LUT details has been so you can see this is the LUT. I am on desktop. You can see this is the LUT test LUT. We will copy this LUT, right, and we will come back to the LUT folder, right, and this is the ASS folder, suppose, or you can create new folder, like we can create new folder name is test training LUTs. So we can paste this LUT test training LUTs, right, and we can paste this LUT, right, and we will close this and we will update list. So once we update list, right, in LUT folder you will see the new test training LUTs. See, new folder which we have generated is showing there, test creating LUTs, right? If we click here, we will see the that particular LUT which we have imported, and you can apply LUT to current node like same. This is the same LUT we have applied, right? Applied to current node. So this is how you can create the new LUT. You can create the new folder as well in your DaVinci Resolve. See, so you can see this is the LUT folder, right, and you can see this is the test folder which we have created. So you can create new folder as well, and you can update new LUTs, and you can, if you want, you can open file location as well, right, and it will be showing the exact location, and here from you can also delete this test training LUTs folder. So if you remove it, let's delete it, and let's close this window. Again come to right corner and color management and